Hey y'all, Jennifer here, Fierce Motorsports. So my stomach hurts right now. I'm about to do one of the tasks on this car that I absolutely hate, even though I've done it a dozen times because the pulley kept eating into the timing cover. So I've taken this crankshaft pulley off probably like 5 or 6 times, and every single time it hurts my stomach. But I know that I've done it, right? And I also know that in the worst case scenario, I have resources to assist. So I have the tools here that I know are going to work. I have a really nice impact socket, 22 long, and then my breaker bar for leverage, and then the amazing and fabulous Company 23 crankshaft pulley tool. I'm a firm believer in the right tools. Like, I know there's lots of hacks, right? And I'm sure that they work. I have yet to get any of them to work for me. And maybe it's because I don't have the knowledge, right? Like, I haven't been doing this for very long relative to how long some people have been doing this. And so my understanding of the physics and the mechanics of everything just isn't quite where I would like it to be. But that's fine because I am where I am. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this here and I'm going to go left because lefty-loosey, and then I'm going to just like freak out while this is going on because I have anxiety. My stomach hurts. And then I'm like, oh, that was easy. So the other fun part about anxiety is that you make up these narratives in your head, right? And so these narratives will then run what you're doing, right? So I've been putting this off. I got the socket in the other day. So it's been like probably 24 to 48 hours that I've been putting this off because in my brain, I have created this narrative, right? That I'm gonna knock my engine out of time, right? Or I'm going to break it, right? And so for the past 24 hours, that's all I've been thinking of. And I've been putting this off. I seriously had to have a whole conversation with myself about, you've done this 500 times, Jennifer, this shouldn't be a problem. You have all of the right tools. You've done it before and your engine's still fine, right? But in my brain, in my anxiety brain, I built this narrative. And so when working on cars, when you have anxiety and you're not 100% certain, I have found what's helpful for me is to go over what's the worst case scenario and use my anxiety superpower, right? Which at this time is making my stomach hurt and making me not want to do it. But also that anxiety superpower puts me in a mindset where I'm going to plan, right? So you can't see it here. Big trucks going by. But I have my car pulled out. One of my other Supers pulled out. And so if anything happens, I have a car to go, that's my backup plan. And then I have friends to call, and the rallycross isn't for another couple weeks. So if I break something, I give myself time to deal with it. So there's my lovely little crankshaft bolt, right? Easy peasy. That took what? 4 minutes, less than? And I worried about it for about 2 days. Anxiety is so cool, except when it's not, which is probably most of the time. Anyway, I'm going to keep working on this, and yeah, if you want to run seat time, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, hit me up. You want to talk about anxiety, hit me up about that too. I am so good at it. Talk to y'all later.